Every time I think I found my favorite pour, another one comes along and changes everything. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working with a 10 by 20 inch canvas with three bold colors, green, red, and crimson red. These shades together are absolutely electric. They push against each other, blend in unexpected ways, and create the kind of contrast that makes a painting instantly come alive. I started this pour with this beautiful green color, and honestly, there's something so therapeutic about this color. It's rich, deep, and calming, almost like watching nature unfold right on a canvas. I laid the green down first so it could anchor the piece and bring that sense of balance before adding the reds. I love combining colors that shouldn't work together but somehow do. Green and red are opposites, but in acrylic pouring, opposites often create the most stunning balance. I wanted something bold, emotional, and powerful, and these pigments gave me exactly that. I started by stacking a puddle of crimson red and then placing Pyrrole Red directly on top of it. I wanted these two reds to blend in a really rich, natural way. Crimson brings that deep emotional tone, while Paro Red is brighter, stronger, and more intense. When you layer them like this, the colors melt into each other during the blow dryer movement, creating gradients and transitions you can't get in any other way. It's one of my favorite techniques because it lets the paint do what it wants, blending, stretching, and finding its own balance right there on the canvas. And the moment the cells started forming, I knew this painting was going to be special. I couldn't have planned this movement if I tried. That's the beauty of acrylic pouring. You guide the paint, but you never truly control it. One of the most beautiful parts of this pour is how the cells formed naturally, without a single drop of silicone. That's when you know the pigments are really doing the work. Some colors, like green and certain reds, react to each other because of their different densities. As they settle and move across the canvas, the heavier paints sink and the lighter ones rise, creating those organic pockets of separation we call cells. When cells appear naturally, they feel softer, more organic, and often more elegant than silicone cells. They give the painting contrast and movement without looking forced. These natural reactions brought this piece to life, and you can actually see the colors push and pull against each other in the most beautiful way. I think this might be my new favorite pour, but what about you? What do you see in these shapes? And what color combination should I try next? Drop your suggestion in the comments. I always love hearing your ideas. And here it is, vibrant greens, fiery reds, and organic cells that appeared like magic. The colors didn't just sit on the canvas, they danced. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.